Hello, I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you 3 simple ways to fold your long sleeve tops. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first long sleeve top we'll be focusing on is the turtleneck. So the first thing you need to do is to lay your turtleneck on a flat surface and flatten it out if you have to, like so. Oh, and you want to make sure it's flat because the more flat it is, the easier it is to fold. So next, we're going to take the left sleeve and we're going to fold it in halfway, like so. And then we're going to take the folded sleeve and fold it into the body of the turtleneck, like so. Once you fold it down, it's going to be at an angle. Next, you're going to do the same to the right sleeve, like so. At this point, both sleeves will be overlapping each other, but in some cases it may not be overlapping each other. Just make sure that both sides are symmetrical. Once that's done, we're going to focus on the neck portion. So what you're going to do is take the top area or top portion and fold that down like so. And as you fold it down, you're trying to create as straight of a line as you can. So you can fold it down a little lower if you want, but this is just an easier way to do so. So once the neck portion is folded, we're going to take the left side and we're going to fold it into the body of the turtleneck, like so. And we're going to do the same to the right side. It's all about symmetry. So the goal here is to create a long rectangle. You want to make sure that all sides are pretty even. This is going to ensure that the fold is tight and perfect. Once that's done, you're going to take the top portion and you're going to fold it down 3 times or in thirds. You're creating small little rectangles as you go down. You can fix the turtleneck as you're going down just to make sure each fold is as tight and clean as you can make it. Once that's done, you're done. This is what it looks like. Really clean, really tight. Everything is inside and it's a pretty perfect fold if I say so myself. Really cute. I'm not sure if you've seen any of my other videos, but I do have a short sleeve folding video and I'm pretty much going to be using one of the techniques that I used in that video. So first things first, you need to lay your top on a flat surface. You got to flatten it out with your hands. You know, you don't have to be gentle, you can be rough. Especially when you're working with a flimsy shirt, you kind of have to, you know, be a little rough. So once it's flat, you're going to take the left sleeve and you're going to fold it into the center of the top. And by the way, this shirt is actually a 3/4 sleeve. It's not a full long sleeve, but it all works the same. So next you're going to take the right sleeve and fold that over as you did to the left sleeve. And it's going to overlap each other. You can clean it up at this point as I have to because this is a very flimsy top. So once that's done, you're going to take the top portion and you're going to fold that all the way down to the bottom of the top. Top, and top. Because this top has a curved bottom and it also is ruched, it may look a bit messy, but it's okay because once you fold it over, you won't really see that portion. Flatten it out like a pancake. Once that's done, you're going to take the folded portion and you're going to fold that down as well. So we just fold it down twice. Flatten that out a bit. You're going to flip it over. You can tuck in some parts just in case. Let's say, for instance, you have the top portion sticking out a bit. You can tuck it in, flatten it, and then you're going to take the left side and you're going to fold that over in thirds, like so. 1, 2, 3. And now you have a nice, cute fold. So the last but not least top we'll be folding is the mid to heavy sweater or sweatshirt. I'll be folding a sweatshirt, but you can do the same for a sweater or jumper. I love that name. So as before, you're gonna make sure you lay your top on a flat surface and you can flatten it out if you need to. This sweatshirt is a bit structured, so it makes that process much easier. Okay, so next what you're gonna do, it may sound a bit tricky, but you're gonna place your right hand on the left side of the sweatshirt and you're going to place it in between the neck and the shoulder seam. And then you're gonna take the left sleeve and fold that over. So what you're really doing is just folding over the left side of the sweater into the middle part without really folding it too much in the middle. I know that's a bit difficult to understand, but once you see it, you kind of understand what I'm saying. Once that's done, you're gonna take that left sleeve again and you're gonna fold that over, creating some type of line. You want that sleeve after it's been folded over to be straight. Then you're gonna do the same to the right side. Take that left hand, take that right sleeve, fold that over, meeting your left hand, and then you're going to fold that over again, creating a straight-ish line. For some sweatshirts or sweaters, your sleeve may overlap, but whether it does or not, as long as those sleeves are straight out, you're fine. Next, you're going to then take the bottom portion of your sweatshirt and you're gonna fold that up about an inch or two. It all depends on the type of sweater or sweatshirt you have. My sweatshirt already has a seam, so I'm just literally folding it up, kind of against the seam, but not really. And you can already see the structure of the fold. I love this one. Next, you're gonna take that folded portion and you're gonna fold it up, meeting your neckline or the neck area. Once that's done, you're gonna take the left sleeve and you're gonna fold that over the body, tucking in the cuff into the body. And then you're gonna do the same to the right sleeve and fold that over, allowing the sleeve to overlap the left sleeve, and then you're gonna tuck in the cuff of the sweatshirt. Once you're done with that, you can flip it over. And once that's done, you're gonna have this really cute square shape fold. How cute, isn't it? I think it's cute. All right, that's pretty much it. These are just 3 simple ways to fold long sleeve tops. Of course, you can use any of the techniques that I showed you today to fold all 3 different types of tops, or you can use what you're already using and fold your long sleeve tops that way. There is no right way to do it. It's all about having fun with it, because folding is not always that fun. So if you can find a technique that works for you, then you can find some enjoyment in folding. So since we're on the topic of long sleeve tops, let me know in the comment section below if your city is cold right now. So I live in the Houston area and it's about 60 degrees today, Fahrenheit. So it's pretty cold for us Houstonians. And lately I've been wearing a lot of long sleeve tops, sweaters, shirts, button downs, just to keep warm. So let me know in the comment section below if that is your life as well. All right, you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.